To set a video as your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap wallpapers. Under gallery section, tap the album where the video you want to use is in. Select the desired video you like to use as your lock screen wallpaper. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the selected video has been set as your lock screen wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.